team of us will go down. It's a phenomenal opportunity for, especially younger leaders to get exposure to the industry, to meet some of the supplier partners or equipment manufacturers that maybe they've talked to on the phone but haven't met in person, and get to see what's possible in the industry. And so it's a really, really fun time. I love it because I just love that dreaming space of saying, "Oh my goodness, look at what if we did this and what if we did that?" And so it's like a playground for me. We're constantly scoping equipment for expansion. We typically have quite a few customer meetings while we're there, and connect with customers and ask a lot of questions and just get insight. And that's one of the most fun things about it is the baking space is such a small industry, and everyone can connect you to everybody else. And so it's a fun place to just connect with other leaders and hear about what's going on in their plants and in their niche of the industry. And you can just walk away with like so much information. It's just unbelievable.